FC गोवाचो FC पुणे सिटी आड खेळ हारलो म्हणून 2 गोलांनी हरले अशें कोच सर्जिओ लोबेरा म्हणटा। पासिंग गेम बरेपैकी जायना जाल्यार FC गोवा गोल मारपाक जड वता हें स्पॅनिश कोचान पोस्ट मॅच प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सांत उलोवन दाखयलें। दुसरे वटेन FC पुणे सिटीन जबरदस्त एकाग्रतेन खेळ केल्ल्यान तांचो कोच रँको पोपोविच खोशी।
Bueno, yo creo que ha habido diferentes momentos dentro del partido.
I think we had different moments within the game.
Creo que hemos tenido la posibilidad de ponernos por delante.
I think we had the opportunity to score first and get ahead in the game.
Creo que si nos hubiéramos puesto por delante en el marcador, el partido hubiera sido diferente.
And had we gone ahead and scored, the game would have been completely different.
Porque el equipo contrario se hubiera tenido que abrir más y no hubiera jugado buscando el contraataque.
And because if we'd gone ahead, the other team would have had to sort of, open their game up and try and play a little bit more and not try and play in the counter like they did.
Y quizás nosotros hubiéramos podido encontrar más espacios.
And maybe we would have found more space.
No hemos estado efectivos, no hemos sido capaces de ponernos por delante en el marcador.
We weren't effective today. We didn't end up actually going ahead in the scoreline.
Cuando iban pasando los minutos, no estábamos cómodos.
And as the minutes were passing by, we weren't comfortable.
Hemos tenido precipitación por querer marcar el gol rápido y eso ha hecho olvidarnos un poco de nuestro juego.
As a pressure, we were trying to score the goal as much as possible. Sort of, we lost our way a little bit in the style of play that we wanted to put out onto the field.
Y cuando nos alejamos de nuestro juego nos cuesta más crear ocasiones.
And the moment we sort of let our style of play go, it makes it difficult for us to create chances.
Creo que ellos han aprovechado las suyas, se han puesto por delante en el marcador y se han llevado el partido, nada que decir.
They took their chances, they got ahead in the game, and then once they did that, it was their game.
Today was our plan, more than possible, to kill them and to make them nervous with our goal. But it's very difficult. Every small space at the moment, if you don't have concentration, if you leave them, they can give you one, and after this game is different. Game is different. Good was because our level of concentration was very high.
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।